friends, welcome to today's video. Poshmark released an exciting new update today that I am very happy to be able to share with you. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you. I'm Sydney. I've been reselling for almost 8 years now. I was a closet consultant at PoshFest, and most recently I spoke at the Boss Reseller Remix in Las Vegas, which was an absolute blast. So I hope you guys check that out on my Instagram. I tried to post some of it. Thrifting Debutante is my Instagram if you want to go and follow me over there for some different kind of content. But yeah, today we are going to talk about this new Poshmark update. They introduced an exciting new category today. For those of you in my masterclass, I will be posting a video kind of elaborating more on this category today, just to kind of give you guys in there just some examples of things that I pick up in this category. If you are not in the masterclass but you would like to join us and get access to unlimited training videos, bonus videos, things like that, I will link the information on that down below. You also get access to my consistency equals cash training. I will also link the information on that down below for those of you in that. I will be posting several training videos about Mercari and selling on Mercari and getting consistent sales on Mercari. So if you are interested in joining us for that, all the information for those will be linked down in the description box as well as in the comments. Okay, so let's get into this video. Today, Poshmark updated their policy to allow you to sell electronics on their platform. This is super exciting. When I first started on Poshmark back in 2014, we could only sell women's clothing. It was very limited. It was very strict. Very hard, honestly, to not be able to have any sort of variety in your store. So Poshmark has definitely come a long way. I'm really excited that they have introduced this category today to allow you to sell electronics. Great timing right before the holidays. So let's get into it. Let's talk about just what you are allowed and not allowed. Okay, so you can go and read in more detail about this on the Poshmark blog. I will link this page down below for you to go and look at it at yourself, because it does have the entire catalog of what you are allowed to sell in terms of electronics. So it's pretty all-inclusive in terms of electronics categories. You've got cameras, cell phones and accessories, computers, laptops, tablets and accessories, video games and consoles, VR accessories, wearables, headphones, media, networking, which is like routers and things, portable audio and video, as well as car audio and video and GPS. So there is an entire list of things on here that you can sell in the electronics category. Things that could get you really high profits if you have these to sell. So great expansion on Poshmark's side. I do think that as they start to get into these other categories, pretty soon they're going to have to do something about their shipping policy, because some of these things that they have on here, like computers and things, those can get pretty heavy, and as we know, Poshmark's label caps out at 10 pounds. So I'm hoping that by them expanding into these other categories, that is going to sort of kind of force them to do something about their shipping policies and add more shipping options so that you will be able to sell more items. They want people to come into your closet and bundle things, so it just makes sense to me that they would have to add more shipping options. But that's just my 2 cents on that, and I'm just hoping that that will happen soon. I'm hoping they will add like first class shipping options and things like that. So it says, can I ship electronic items of any size within the supported categories? It must not surpass the maximum box dimensions in the US, Australia, Canada, and India. Shipments may not be heavier than 10 pounds in the US. What conditions of electronics can you sell? Poshmark allows users to shop and sell both new and pre-owned electronics. For pre-owned items, sellers must log out of and delete any linked accounts and personal data, and if possible, restore to original factory settings. If you're selling phones, computers, anything like that, make sure you wipe all of your information off of it, obviously, before you sell it to somebody else. Will my electronic items be covered by Posh Authenticate? Poshmark offers free item authentication on all items valued over $500 in the US and $700 in Australia and Canada, and $9,999. I'm not sure what the currency is in India, but that is what it says. Will Poshmark honor warranties on electronic items? Poshmark will not be able to honor manufacturer warranties or be a part of the redemption process. So you're not protected under any sort of warranty if you buy something through Poshmark. How can I protect my personal data stored on electronic items? We recommend resetting relevant electronic items prior to shipping to prevent transfer of personal data for an easy change of device ownership. So again, very important takeaway, make sure that you are deleting all of your data off of any sort of electronic devices that you are selling on Poshmark. I think this is a great expansion for Poshmark. I think it is long overdue. I do think Poshmark is trying to sort of go into a place where they are competing with platforms like Mercari, Amazon, eBay. All of those platforms allow you to sell electronics. So obviously Poshmark is trying to, compete with those and allow their sellers to sell in more categories. Obviously it's more money for them. So way more items today that you can list on Poshmark. Again, I will be talking more about this in my masterclass if you would like some extra information or extra training. All of the info on that is linked down below. But let me know what you guys think about Poshmark adding electronics. Do you like it? Are you planning to sell electronics? Are you planning to branch into this category for your closet? I know it's way different than the fashion categories or anything that Poshmark has really allowed you to be able to sell before. I know a lot of people just sell clothing, so honestly I have been trying to pick up more electronic things. I don't really find too much at my thrift stores in terms of electronics, but I have found a few things lately that I picked up, it's like this really fancy remote control, and then I found like a speaker and things like that. Just smaller things that are easier to ship. Nothing crazy, nothing like super heavy. Again, Poshmark mentioned in that article that you cannot sell anything that is over 10 pounds. So they're still sticking with this 10-pound shipping rule. Again, I hope that this will kind of force them to have to change their shipping options, or at least offer sellers something. If they are going to continue to compete with Mercari, eBay, Amazon, places like that, they're going to have to offer more shipping options. I feel like it's just coming to that. So fingers crossed. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm excited about in terms of them expanding their categories. But I am excited that they have expanded into electronics and that we now have more of a variety of things that we can list on Poshmark. Okay guys, that is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the new category down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.